One of the nice things about the limited edition Tahoes is they had all two-tone leather seats. Other than that, the interior was pretty much the exact same as the Tahoes, the trucks of the era. And this one was same like as the outside, just wasn't taken care of, wasn't really cleaned. So we're gonna get in here, clean it up, and condition the leather. There's no tears, there's no rips in the leather. It's not too bad, but just needs to be cleaned up.
We're going to clean the interior of this Tahoe. We're going to start with the floor mats and the carpet. I'm going to use our tartar sauce upholstery cleaner, our interior scrub brush, and then for the heavier stuff, I got a drill with a brush on the end of it to do a lot of the elbow grease that I can't do. This is the test here to see how nasty this clean microfiber comes out when we wipe off all the cleaners off of the carpet. I'm using the Nana's leather cleaner to clean the leather seats. The brush is going to get in all these little pores that's in the leather and kind of get down and you know, it's kind of like your skin when you use a brush to clean these areas here where you could really see like the stresses in the leather. The brush will really get in there. Our leather cleaner kind of pulls out all the oils that are in there. Now that the seat's all cleaned up, we'll put a little leather conditioner on it. So right now there's really nothing moisturizing the leather. So I'm gonna be like, wow, you smell like a new car.
Smell like leather, glue, and plastic.
Yeah.